Welcome in this tutorial about permissions. As a reminder, there are three levels of users in Planisy: the administrator, the power user, and the standard user. The administrator has got access to more tools versus the other users. The other users have got access only to the resource planner as well as the mobile app. The administrator has got access to tools such as the resource editor that you see here on the left. Among various functionalities, the resource editor provides with a flexible way to manage permissions. Let's take the example of the resource type notes and see how permissions are managed. By default, a standard user cannot create, delete, or allocate any resource and can see all attributes and cannot edit any attribute. Let me bring in on the right the view in the resource planner from a standard user. And let's change the rights progressively. As you can see here, as we just said, a standard user cannot do any edit. If I open this note, it doesn't have the access to the edit button and see all attributes. Now let me change the two attributes. One is the status and give the standard user the ability to edit an attribute. And also for the cost, doesn't give him the access to even view the cost. So the two changes we've made is that now the cost won't be visible and the status will be editable by the standard user. Let's save. And you see now that the edit button appears simply because I can now edit the status of this attribute. I have granted him the access, and I cannot see any more the cost. What is new in the latest release is that we have added the following panel: access permissions for each resource type. Here it is for notes. First is to grant any user type with the ability to either to create or not a new item. If, for example, I give the ability for a standard user to create an item and save, you see now that he has the add button. He can now add resources. Sorry, I made a, oops, sorry, mistake. Okay, I needed to reload. He can now add a new item in this inventory. Now, as we know, the standard user has got access to only one attribute in edit, so he can add but only edit one of them, one of the attributes, the one we just granted the right. So this is limited unless you provide him with more editing right on the attribute. The second addition is that now you can also decide who can delete an item. Very often, you can decide that only the admin could delete an item, or in some exceptions, maybe add the delete right to the standard user. You can also remove the delete right to the admin, and only the power user will be able to delete. But now let's add the delete right to everyone. And go here and delete. You see that now I can access the delete button, which I did not have in the past. And I can now delete. Last addition that has been made is to allow, in some specific cases, to decide who can allocate a resource. By default, who can allocate a resource. By default, the admin and the power user can allocate and play with all allocations, and the standard user cannot allocate or change any allocation. But for some resource type, you can decide to, for example, add the standard user or remove the power user or remove the admin as you wish. Let's add the standard user. Now, very, very importantly, an allocation is made between two resource types. So if, for example, I want to allocate notes to persons, then I need to do the same change with the person. And here so I go to persons, and I need to give the same right allocatable to the standard user. What it means is that I have now allowed standard user for note and persons for the allocation. I will be able to allocate them together. Oops. So here you see there are persons, note. I can now allocate. I can not only allocate, but it also change the duration or move or delete or reallocate. However, as we said, the allocation right has been given only from note to people. So if I try to allocate a note to a construction site, it will not work. To do this, I will need to go back and also give the allocation right on the construction site to the standard user.